Good morning, student. Welcome to the online classes. Okay, so in the last classes, we already discussed about the flow chart and the shapes that are used or the symbols used in a flow charts that are already. I am revised that also. The symbols that are used in a flow chart are the your oval shape for starting and stop, the parallelogram for input and output process, and for processing your rectangle is used, and for decision making the diamond shape is used. Okay, so in last classes we I am going to how to draw a flow chart of a system. So normally when we are going to start, क्या करते हैं हम लोग कि we are start a job. So for starting we use the oval shape, and I am going here, and for input just I am inputting here, input something, input. For input we use the parallelogram, and after input we have some decision. Let's say for decision making we do or we use the diamond shape. Okay, for condition decision, condition decision. Okay, and for after concluding from the conditions, if the condition is true or yes, or if the condition is false, so there we have two way, and we have to process two things. Print one type of printing is there, and another print is here, print 2, and after that we are stop. So stop is with oval shape. Okay, so this is the pictorial diagram which we can do a job, or we can represent a job in a pictorial diagram. What is happen? So I am going to explaining one example. That is, draw a flow chart for preparation a cup of tea. Okay, cup of tea. So when we are going to make a cup of tea, what we are doing, that we take some water in a kettle, and after that we give some heat, we heat it. Okay, after it boil, we add some sugar, we add some tea, we add some milk, and just wait for a couple of minutes or couple of minutes. After that, when it is ready, after we can remove it. So the tea is prepared. Okay, these are the process, or these are the steps, or these are the things we are doing to prepare our tea. So we are going to show these steps in a pictorial diagram, means in a flow chart. So what we are doing first, just start. First starting, then what, take some water in a kettle means these are the input, and after that process is going on. Heat the water, वाटर हीट हो जाएगा। यहाँ पर अगर हम लोग का अगेन आफ्टर हीटिंग के बाद हम लोग कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं उसमें, वो मीन्स अगर हीट नहीं होगा तो हम लोग नहीं ऐड करेंगे, हीट होने के बाद ही हम लोग ऐड करेंगे। दैट इज द कंडीशन। सो हियर वन कंडीशन वी कैन गिव ऑल्सो, हियर वन कंडीशन वी कैन गिव ऑल्सो, एंड दैट इज वाटर बॉयल, इज वाटर बॉयल। दिस इज ए क्वेश्चन मार्क क्वेश्चन, वाटर बॉयल हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है। ओके, तो अगर हम लोग का क्वेश्चन मार्क यहाँ पर, तो मैं इसको लेट यहाँ ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ। इज वाटर बॉयल, इज वाटर बॉयल। आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू कि इफ yes then add sugar tea, add sugar and tea. Okay, so this is also a process. After that wait for some couple of time, wait for some time, this is also a process, and your tea is prepared, so stop. Okay, so if no, this process will going on if the water is boiled. अगर वाटर बॉयल नहीं हुआ है तो क्या करेंगे, तो व्हाट हैपेंड, नो नो करेंगे, और यहाँ से हम लोग का जो यहाँ फ्लो आया है इसको हम लोग बैक करके चले जाएंगे और वेट करेंगे कि हम लोग का वाटर बॉयल होने तक। ओके, तो दिस इज द फ्लो चार्ट फॉर टू मेक ये कप ऑफ टी, और एंड मेनी प्रोसेस आर देयर टू मेक ए कप ऑफ टी। इन ए कप you have to take some hot water and add a tea bag, add some sugar, add some milk, and just drink it. After that your cup of tea is ready. Okay, so that is also a process that can also, that types also we can give here in a pictorial diagram. So that is the flow chart. So one more things so go through this also. Next, one more example, find the average of 5 numbers, एवरेज ऑफ 5 नंबर्स। फर्स्ट 5 नंबर, फर्स्ट 5 नेचुरल नंबर में लिख दे रहा हूँ, ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 नेचुरल नंबर। ओके, फर्स्ट 5 नेचुरल नंबर। So first 5 natural number we have to first we want to know the what is natural number also and the first 5 natural numbers also. तो So natural numbers we represent it with n, and the first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to find the average. So how can we find average in mathematics? We already read in different classes. So here also I am describing average. For average we have to add all the numbers and just divide by the number of number. Add all the number and divide by the number of number. मीन्स जितना नंबर है उससे डिवाइड करेंगे और जितना जो नंबर्स होगा उसी नंबर्स को ऐड कर देंगे. मीन्स दिस इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 15 by 5 and answer is 3. Okay, so this is the mathematical process, and this how we can make it, represent it in a flow chart. So look, so first we have to start the program. First we have to start the program. So I started start, and after that, after starting we are going to take some addresses that we already discussed in last classes. Some addresses or storage place where we store the values. Okay, so and one that here we are taking 5 numbers. So I want to take a counter which count the 5 numbers already inputted or not. Okay, so I want to take a counter that is I is equal to I is a counter, and I is equal to I take first 1, and for storing the addition, this is a sum of number. For storing the addition I take small s is equal to 0. Initially we have the sum is 0, so we take here it is 0, and after that these are the process. We have to input the number. Okay, 5, input n, sorry, here we do not have to input the number because we already know how many numbers you have to how many numbers we have to find the average. Okay, so as we already know the number, so we do not have to input. Okay, so now only have to check the counter. So here one decision box I am taking, and in decision box what happened, that is I is greater than 5. We have to count the 5 numbers. First I is 1. Because we have to take 5 numbers, that's why I am use that here the value of I is greater than 5 or not, and here it is a question mark. This will the counting, this will count the number from 1 to 5, from 1 to 5, and if the value of I is more than 5, that means 6, then it is stop counting, then it is stop counting. Means here it is counting, and after counting what happened, it store in a place, it store in a place, means sum is equal to s, हम we taking the s initially as 0 plus I, s plus I, and the I also increased by 1, I is equal to I plus 1, I is equal to I plus 1. This is a processor box processing, so rectangle box is will use. Okay, and after that this process will continue till the value of I is 5, till the value of I is 5. Okay, and after that when the value of I is completed, counting is completed, value of I is 6, then when just look at the figure, it is I is equal to 1, it is checked here, I is greater than 5, yes or no? No. For no or for yes? No, if the decision here the condition checked is no, then what it will do? It will store the value of s that is taken initially as 0 and plus I, means 0 plus 1, sum is equal to 0 plus 1, sum is equal to 0 plus 1. So here first what it is, sum is equal to 0 plus 1, or here I is equal to 1, here I is equal to 1. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज I इज इक्वल टू I प्लस 1, मीन्स I 1 था, अभी क्या हो जाएगा 1, I इट इज 2. ओके, तो I 2 हो के यहाँ आ गया, दिस इज द एरो मार्क, यहाँ आ गया. अगेन इट विल चेक फॉर द I एंड व्हाट I इज ग्रेटर देन 5 और नॉट. सो हियर ऑल्सो 2 इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन 5, सो वी आर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द नो, एंड अगेन द सम इज इक्वल टू दिस. तो सम यहाँ पर अगेन I इज इक्वल टू 1, सॉरी I इज इक्वल टू 2, एंड सम इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, बिफोर सम इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस 1, एंड उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, पहले हम लोग का सम 0 प्लस 1 था, अभी फिर अगेन I ऐड हो जाएगा और 2 ऐड हो जाएगा. ओके, अगेन I इज इक्वल टू 3, सम इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3. अगेन I इज इक्वल टू 4, सम इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर ऐड होके वैल्यू आ जाएगा, हम लोग डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर लेट सम इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 2, अगेन वैल्यू 3 हो गया, यहाँ 3 प्लस 3 6 हो गया, अगेन 6 प्लस 4 10 हो गया, फिर I इज इक्वल टू 5, सम इज इक्वल टू 10 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 15. अगेन नाउ हियर I इज 5, यहाँ पर 5 हुआ. ओके, 5 होके आया यहाँ चेक हुआ, 5 ग्रेटर देन 5, दैट ऑल्सो नो, 5 इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन 5, 5 इज इक्वल टू 5. ओके, सो नो मीन्स अगेन ही कम आ गया यहाँ, सम इज इक्वल टू s प्लस I, सम इज इक्वल टू s प्लस I. यहाँ पर नॉट क्लियरली हम यहाँ पर भी सम ले लो, यहाँ पर भी सम इज इक्वल टू सम प्लस I, सम इज इक्वल टू सम प्लस I. एस लेने से इट रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके, क्योंकि सम के साथ ही ऐड हो रहा है. सो सम इज इक्वल टू सम प्लस I मीन्स 5 ऑलरेडी हम लोग का ऐड हो चुका है, सम पहले 10 था, उसके साथ फिर I का वैल्यू 5 ऐड हो गया, और फिर I इंक्रीज भी हुआ, वन स्टेप इंक्रीज भी हुआ यहाँ पर, i इज इक्वल टू आई प्लस वन मीन 6 हो गया. एंड नाउ इट विल फिर अगेन गोइंग फॉर चेकिंग, इज i इज ग्रेटर देन 5. सो नाउ i इज 6 एंड इट इज ग्रेटर देन 5. सो इट विल गो टू हियर yes part में. And in yes part what it will do, in yes part what it will do, it will find the average. AVG is equal to sum by, this is the formula, sum by 5, sum by 5, and this is stored in a processing box, and after that it will print AVG में स्टोर होकर रह गया एवरेज. सो हम लोग AVG जब प्रिंट करेंगे यहाँ पर जो भी स्टोर हुआ होगा दिस वैल्यू, इसका आंसर वो रिजल्ट और यहाँ पर प्रिंट होगा. फॉर प्रिंटिंग वी आर टेकिंग पैरेललोग्राम, सो आई एम ऑल्सो टेकिंग द पैरेललोग्राम, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी स्टॉप. Okay, so this is the flow chart for finding the average of first 5 number, and many more flow chart we can also draw. So in the next class we are going to discuss about one more flow chart. Okay, thank you.